Download and install VMware. VMware is a licensed virtualization software that can be used with many operating systems. To install VMware Workstation Player, open your favorite web browser. VMware is typed in your favorite search engine. Find the VMware website. Find Try Workstation Player on the VMware webpage and click Download. On the screen that appears, click Save File and download the installation package to our computer. The file size is large. The download will take time depending on the speed of your internet connection. When the installation file is downloaded, there will be an .exe file starting with VMware in the folder you used for download. We can start the installation. Navigate to the folder where the VMware installation file is located. Double-click on the VMware file. Click the Next button on the screen that appears. On this screen comes the VMware license screen. Check the box and click Next. This screen shows where VirtualBox will be installed. If desired, this location can be changed by clicking the Change button on the side. We will use the default installation location for installation. There are additional features related to VMware below. You can click on them if you want it. Click the Next button. Click Next without making any changes on this screen. You can remove the boxes if you want. This screen contains shortcuts for VMware. Click the Next button. Click the Install button on the incoming screen. The files required for installation are uploaded to the host computer. Click the Finish button on this screen to finish the installation. The installation is successfully completed. Now we can install virtual computers.